Show you how to replace control arm bushing for 2012 XC60. You can see the condition is pretty bad, so that causes the squeaky noise when you're driving. Also, the inside of the tire warm faster than the rest of the tires. That's also the wheel, the steering wheel itself may not be straight. So first thing you need to remove the 218mm bolt. Yeah, that's a heavy one. Also you need to move away the brake line and ABS wires. Let's say move aside. Then you remove the swivel link the bolt, 15mm bolt, and also ideally to remove the swivel link the bolt. So then you can see I try to push the old bushing out. It's not very successful, but it make it move, make it loose, so you can use a screwdriver or chisel and hammer it out. So it's not that bad. Then you're using I'm using a column, heavy metal column, put it on the ground, and using wire on the rope, whatever, to tie the control arm as low as possible, so you can have more room to work with it, and also support the control arm bushing with 8x8 wood or a 2x8 wood or breakers, whatever. You can make the level as the same level as a socket. Then you can line up the bushing to the notch on the socket. So that will make it easier. Once it's leveled off, you are easy to push it inside. It's I'm not a strong guy, so I can do it. You should be able to do it as well. So also I had mentioned, because on the left side there's the muffler, exhaust pipe or muffler pipe is on the way, kind of on the way. So try to drag the control arm as low as possible. So on the right side, it's right next to the gas tank. So it's plastic, kind of plastic. So be very careful. So also the bushing itself, it's cheap. I bought from the FCP ULO, the both sides. Yeah, it's cost about like $52 for both sides, and the tool itself is kind of expensive. So I bought it from eBay for about $200, which is shipped from Poland, I believe. It took 3 weeks to ship it here. So what else? So if you have any questions, please let me know. I just I know I didn't really took a very good video. It took me like about 4 or 5 hours to replace the left side. Then the right side, it's easier, probably 2 to 3 hours. So I had got it. If I have a chance to do that again, I think it should be finished within 2 hours. So it's not that bad, but but it save a lot of money, because dealer quoted me like 6 hours for each side. So they charge about like $200 for the parts, So 6 hour times 200. So it's about $1,500 for to replace it. For my, if I do it by myself, I only like do $250. Okay, maybe whatever add up is $300 probably. You should do it. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay.